Hi guys, good morning, happy Friday, TGIF. So thanks God it's Friday. So 31st of January naman ta karon. So what have you achieved this month of 2025 sa January, no? So far for me, it's di kayo siya ko pero big achievement na nako, no? So, nakabutang na kog sa amin din Anya din ha. Nahapsay niya dahra. Anya nahawan na ni siya dere. Walang balihon ang kamera, no? So, kani ang mga samin. Hina di mga perfume. Kani natabon na siya. Kani basta mag-dust proof na lang ko rin ha. Anya dere. So, mo na yung ganap de gahapon, guys. No, kung video ninyo. So, magikot tigid siya kay. Panjo natin buok ni siya. Okay. Mao ni ihang dapat ari dire ihang piko o kanin sa ubos ari dipod ang piko. So, ani ra siya ka move on. So, mo nang gigaman jud na siya kaugalingon yung bottom para mas daghan siya masudlan. Unya gaman pa i-customize pa na siya takob dire. Nga anhisad siya taman kay ari mo itakob dere kang so ari dere at least maglisod si lablab og tangtang. So kani man na siya, guys. So ang nabuol yun ako total is 4 pa. So kani na human yung tape gahapon. Kani na tape na sa din ako dako sa siya. So hurot naman kani hurot na gamay naman lang ni. So ako na rin siyang gamiton sa gamay. Udi gani maigo, wala pa mong pwede handaghang kaning kung carton kanina lang potlon. Pero ang problema, guys, kay wa na ko i-block pamanahan yung tape So di siya magkapareha. So magsugod na lang siguro kog kanang segregate ron. Kaya na transparent naman ni. Ag kanang itom, guys, nga kuan. Ano siya ng cardboard. Para po siya sa kaning nasugdan panahog itom sa una. Pero ako nang ikuan na mga ito mampad ni. So para mapantay ba. Ag kanida siya, guys. Kuan basiyo ni siya sa bonakid. Malakang gingan ninyo nga kanang transparent ay katong contact paper. So ang buhaton ani niya butangan nako siya kana bitong para sa sanina nga papilit-pilit. Para ana ra siya karon na close. So, kani yung mga nail polish ako pa na siyang i-arrange. So far, segregate na good siya gamay. I mean, nakuha na siya per box. Mga kanina kung muna para nako, greatest achievement na siya this month. So, kuha na lang dyan. Arrangement by boxes na lang ang kuha nga ni. Kung mahuman na yung pag-box. Dere nahawan na. If you will see back from my previous videos, kalamukat na siya kayo. So kanina lang dyan sila pero nun ipang tambak ra na siya tanan din ha. So piliunon pa na pero kani siya mo na ni ang confirm dyan ako ipamaligya ang food ani. Pero kani sila bungkado ng mga sanina ni salina pa na din ha tanan. Kani mga bag pud ni kani bag na dyan siya tanan. So, humperonon po na siya. So, kanina pa yung mga sanina dire, napay sanina din ha. Alira rin na mo kay siya maralagi magsigpa mungkag. So, akong naman ko yung mga list of February goals to achieve na pod. Kay 31 naman taron. So, mo na siya, guys. So, na nagporma sa mong balay. Hashtag guwa na nahawan siya diri. Nahawan siya diri. Para libre ang tubig. Bisbis. Bisiguan. Kanina lang po diri. Tarawon na ho sa project ang mga sapatos na mo. Pinay pang labay. Ito ng napanay. Madapan nagpuat. Diri gahawanan na akong likod. So unsa may inyo hangkoan, guys? Plano this kuan February. Ay, mga gugmasos. Palibok na sila ang mga kuan ani mga hostel, mga hotel, mga motel, kung sa padihang mga momo hotel diha. So daghan jud gugma mag-oros-oros ani, daghan jud unsang buwan na. November siguro. Manggawas inyong mga liwat. No? Samtang di ay sila blawa. Direto na uban ni plam-plam tas kuan. Kanang tas pikas bay sa gunsaw. So, mainit rin nyo guys. Muna yung puto gahapon. Nagputo mas mama. Pang snack sa panday. Nakape lang ta. So actually, ang katong slamming na di ay guys, bawal ninyo caffeinated. Pero ako man jud, hindi ko mabuhay guway kape, uy. Kamu mabuhay bumuhay kape. Nakrabang tao, mabuhay og kuan. Nakakuan dyan ko guys na. Dito sa kanang kuan ba? Sa ospital. Kasi bawal man dito kape. So gatas rin ka kanunin mo naman sobrahan pagkakatambo kay buntag panihapon full package yung mga pagkaon. Ang kay ang imo ba yung tambal og kanang sa anxiety o depression kay pangpagana bayad kaon. So at din tambok yun ka. Mabito ng uban guys nga kanang mga nag-stress eating. They were so unaware nga sige nang nagkaon sila nagkaon kay para lang dyan sila malipay, no? So inanap ko sa una kanang nag-stress eating food ko. Pero katong before ka ng hospital gamay dito ko kayo ato guys. So, tungod na siya sa kanang over fatigue, wala na kay tulog sa imong trabaho. Mo na makakos nimo nga ma-stress ka, nga magka-anxiety ka kay for example, if you're working in retail, if you're working in operation, if you're working in anywhere nga unstoppable na kanang mga requests, unya unreasonable yung mga deadlines, unya mo na siya maka-trigger nimo nga ma-stress ka nga. One of the reasons sad na I was stressed kay kuan na ba ako before when I was working in retail, kaya na ako guys. I can handle even 2 to 3 days without sleeping because I was single pamanggod. I mean I didn't had Amara that time before, so when Amara came, even when I had my delivery, no, mas gina ko sa hospital, kasi balo man jud to akong mga workmates before, especially, yan lang ko ma-mention ang mga name, when I was in the, even na ako sa kanang kuan, hospital, I was still working, I'm receiving multiple calls, I have to answer this, I have to respond to that email, so that was also causing you kuan. So even my daughter during that 1 year to 2 years, they can see that my daughter was still in a good condition. So it just happened when there was an incident happened to me na hospital ko in 3 months. So gipasa-pasahan siya sa mga, she was being passed to different colleagues. Then moto, one of the reason that was she was been traumatized. One time when I take her out, when I went out from the hospital guys, no, Amara gyud is kanang wala na siya kailan ako kay the traumatic experience is every time na when I came home, even I'm so much busy at work, I always try to find time with her na I cuddle with her, kanang masig na may siya istorya og mama baba and siya na basta na siya mga words niya. If you will see in my previous videos before, I posted mga videos sa Instagram man siguro or sa diri pod sa Facebook, mga upload na ako mga pictures na mo niya Mara, what she's been doing when we opened her first year savings. So she was so interactive. She was been attentive at that time. But after that, when the incident happened, after almost 3 months, that thing changes. So when I came out also from hospital, I was so robotic, no? Kay once you will be in the hospital, and then you are kanang nakabitaw ka sa kanang ward. You will be with your kanang sad kanang nasa mga anxiety o depression. Anya, ang ilaha sa mga story guys, especially in Arab countries, gamay ra jud kaayong problema nila guys. Na stress ra sila tungod sa ilang mga ginikanan, or ilang ginikanan is the one who put them there. Kay tungod sa mga relationship that they cannot accept that their daughter or their is having a relationship into a different degree of Muslims, or for example ilham naman siya mga categorized. So for example, if you were in higher degree na nakasa ka ng level 1 nga pagka kuan imong status unya imong kuan is di bitaw siya kuan. So na may term dito sa kanang Kuwait is bidon. So I spoke with one girl and I asked her, you were so normal, so what happened to you? What brings you here? She said that she was so in love with a person, and then her parents couldn't accept that fact because she's in a level 1, for example. She's next to the level of Sheikh family. So muna siya guys, because the guy was bidon. So her parents and family entirely couldn't accept that fact. So muna sa na stress. And then I have one also, the one she's actually from Saudi Arabia, very professional chef, and I learned a lot of things there, you know. I can see that itong na hospital ko, it was not like it was disconnection from social media, disconnection from entirely from work, and it was like a breakthrough for me. This is like a confession for you guys, no? So life is, you know, money is not important. Your life is more than important, and your health is more than important than anything else. Your love, your family is the most important thing. So that time when I realized, when I was there, I feel like devastated. Dahil ragyod, no, kung wala gid kay kanang kuan, wala kay, you don't have means to call, you don't have means when you used to gadgets, especially bilagod duha ka tablet. I have 2 phones, I have 2 tablets, and I have a working laptop. So imagine if these devices ring in the same time, what your mind will work, or how you will function as a person. So one thing is there is guidelines for that. Who is the top priority? Who is the urgent things? So ang imong pinaka-boss, yun imong tubagon, no, kaysa umang mga contractor, imong mga colleague. Pero it is also like I feel also sometimes guilty kay basin ang uban akong mga colleagues, they feel like Flourish is being high nose, no? Kaya mga taas kid ilong di na mukuan. So I'm sorry guys if you feel like that, because I was totally kanang kuan sana out of the hand load of responsibilities. And plus I have another while I was working also on that, I have another sideline kick. I was working as a mystery shopper in Kuwait. So if you want to know about that and want to know, and are you willing to be mystery shopper, it's a great privilege for you to experience high-end brands and see the experiences of yourself, how they treated you. You can rate them based on your experience. And the main thing why I'm speaking in English, because This is not only most of my friends. If you see in my followers, they are not only Filipino, they are also Indian, Pakistani, and Arabs. So most of them, they know me, and they are not just followers. Mostly Filipino, they follow me just only for followers, legit let's backer, and then after that they will unfollow, you know. So you know, na naiigot ninyo guys. If you follow me and then when I follow you back and then parang i-unfollow ko rin nyo, naranain ninyo, si Lord na bahala ninyo. It won't hurt my feelings, good. So this purpose of taking a video is just a documentation for myself, because I will never know once I get older, you know, we'll never know. Years are running so fast, so at least it is great to look back from your previous video, no? Ako naka-inspire na ako, no? When I came out also from hospital last year, I was 98 kilos. So when I see most of my kanang memories or kanang past memories sa ako ang phone, so especially sa Facebook na man dyan yung mga memories magawas, no? Mag-flashback na arang niwangan ako guys. I was like I didn't even reach 70 kilos. Like I was only in between 65 to 68, for example, like that. Yeah, 60 jud akong kilo gyud ginamintin sa una when I was working in a retail. Manang gamay jud kayo, manang akong sanina sa una is small. T-shirt nako is small, and diha na ko nagka large or nagka-large og t-shirt when I deliver when katong nanganak nako when I was back to work. And it was challenging also when I came back to work kay wa jud mga rang nakong sanina guys, kay kuan sana result mo nang ang ending sad, because I was also still in a state of kanang maternity leave, and in the state of kanang wala ko time nga mag-shopping. So whenever I get a time na mag-shopping, for example, I'm working on something, I was actually a multitasker, you know. While I'm working for a report, and then ako sa cellphone, na ko personal phone, ito Shein, order dire basta kanang may mga flash sale on ya na pa yung mga code diha na you can get the discount. So mo na ang ending, daghan kay kog mga Shein direng bag-ong sanina wa pa nasuot. So, last na pa dyan ko daghang mga sanina dito sa kanang cargo, which is for 3 boxes and still stuck in the custom. And I have sent them several emails and nobody is responding, guys. So, make sure whoever there and not only in Kuwait, whoever there and all over the world who's watching this video, make sure if you will send balikbayan boxes, go to the legit one. Even if you pay that much of money, this is much more worth it. Kaya mga bagong mga company nga, yes, they will send, no. The most trusted companies that we can trust at will deliver directly to your door, in front of your door, in your house, is LBC Ragid, guys. LBC Express Ragid International, guys. So, imagine na, since I was working in Sephora, I was working in Jumeirah, Sephora, and in Rentokil Boyker, I always send all my packages through LBC. But unfortunately, last year, no, not last year, 2024, when I came back, I went to a neuro psychiatrist in Bohol. So before I went there, it was recommended to my batchmates, Cathy. Hi, Cathy. It's not because of Cathy I will not be, I will not be well, you know. She's the one really helped me a lot. She referred me to Pagpakabuhi. There is a community group, Pagpakabuhi. Even all the priests here in Bohol are a member for that. So Pagpakabuhi is located in Bohol Tourism, Baclayon Tourism Office. So naran siya sa Baclayon, guys, nalalapit sa seaside. So if you are suffering in anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, or personality disorder, or any kind of mental health issues or challenges that you are facing, even if you are having a panic attack, you're having this insomnia. Because guys, it started from insomnia, it will become an anxiety if you will not treat them. Kunya ka ng mga sapot-sapot guys, kabuhi-kabuhi guys, if you will not treat them well, it will become a bipolar. So, og sa Bisaya pagod ni ako it's kabuhing awa ra ni, but in medical term, in medical terminologies or kaning clinical kuan is bipolar na siya. So, what is bipolar guys? Is there is 2 episode, it's mean mania and manic. So, night times nga you are so happy. Night times that you're so depressed. Kung unsa pud ka high imong happiness, in anak pud ka low ang imuhang kanang depression. So mo to siya guys, just to make my story short. So we were started about my medical condition when I was way back working in Kuwait in retail. I don't want to speak about the company. I just want to preserve their privacy and their reputation. Because even working there is there a lot of great privileges. However, when you work such kind of environment, you really have to take care of yourself. You know, you have to set boundaries. But we Filipino will always say yes, and we never learn to say no. So this is one of the mistakes that I have done. And even if I say no, I don't have any choice but to do it. So during that time when Amara, she was there with me, I was alone, I don't have a babysitter. And if I have a babysitter, the babysitter is keep on calling because she has another kids to take care of. And then my daughter was confused because when I was there, I was going to talk to her in English, and then when she will be with her nanny, they were all talking in Egyptian Arabic, and then if there is another neighbors coming in or friends, they will talk in Tagalog Bisaya, and then if there's other friends also, they will speak in Hindi. So my child is like doing like that. What are they talking about, you know? Because what she's watching is Cocomelon. So when she was even 1 year old, she started even to learn how to say ABCD. And then she even started to count 1, 2, 3, something like that. She started to talk some few words. The only thing is I didn't focus on her because I was so much busy working, you know. So I didn't even realize that my daughter turned to 2 years old, and I'm not the one who celebrated her birthday. It was my friends, it was my colleagues, and it was one of Kuwaiti friend that close to us, close to me and to my husband. He was working in, he was a captain. So imagine guys, I am the mother and I really forgot the birthday of my daughter. So we celebrated that after a week of her birthday. So her birthday was July 27, but we celebrated that time was August, and then I got into hospital. I was forcibly removed from my home due to the fact that they thought that I'm going to burn the house, and you know, so there was a big miscommunication there. The only thing I asked for is I needed a rest. I don't want to say anyone, and I don't want any disturbance because I was having already a terrible back pain. I took a sick leave, but it was not even taken seriously. Even the doctor has given me an advice already. You have to take at least 1 week because you are cesarean, and then you have took epidural, and then this really affect your spinal cord. Even you have this kind of report, but when you're working in such company and things, it's out of control, and even how much you have to explain them, and they weren't listening to you. So that's the reason, guys, why I'm sharing to you this is just please take care of yourself. I am not sharing you this to discriminate where you are working with. I don't want to give a bad feedback to the managers They were really working also. They were working so hard to gain their positions, and they will do all the means just to get that position, no matter what, whoever what will be involved. This is the real and the reality, no? So sa Bisaya pa wa sila labot ninyo, og sa kwan pa ija-ija aho-aho. But I'm not this kind of person na ija-ija aho-aho, no? So doing all this kind of report, managers feedback, even their evaluation, even the boss evaluation, I was the one who's doing that just to pass these things. So imagine, guys, you do everything and then you get nothing, and then once you get hospitalized, you will hear rumors everywhere that you are such an addict person. So how I wish, no, nga addict. I was so addicted with my work. That's the reason, no? So please, guys, much better you will be addicted to love yourself, take care of yourself, pamper yourself, and don't mind other people's businesses, or don't mind other people's bad mouths, no? So one of the reasons why I'm now in social media, because I just want to create awareness, especially in mental health, especially on my situation, breaking the stigma of having an bipolar generally, because in bipolar there is bipolar 1 and bipolar 2. I am bipolar 2. So bipolar 1 is kanang mas konsya, mas sabay tawagan na niya. Bipolar, sorry guys, I don't know if who's watching my video now because my internet is very slow. So if you're watching this video, I really appreciate your time watching this video and trying to understand what I'm talking about. So this is just an introductory, or let's say a thriller that I'm going to tell you later on, because I have already prepared something what I'm going to discuss in the future. But I just really need some time and space, and what I said in my videos before, that my priority is the decluttering and cleaning. So this is the top and urgent priority list. Second thing is to provide an awareness what is autism and what is bipolar, what is the difference between bipolar 1 and bipolar 2, what is causing you stress, what is anxiety, what is depression, what is post-traumatic stress, post-traumatic stress disorder. Post-traumatic stress disorder, guys, is even you are already okay, but whenever you go back from that place, or you hear maybe a sound or a song or a photo or a place or a person, that flashes back the memories, you know, yung mga bad kanang happening. So at that moment you were still okay, you will act fine, but whenever you will go back home and you are staying alone, something like it's really out of control. So you will be starting, for me, I can control myself. The only thing, if I'm alone, then the depression starts. So that's one of the main reason I was so lucky. I work in Rentokil Boy Care Kuwait. This is the place where I feel I have a really family, you know, like the peace of work. You prioritize your mental health. They will take care of you, what is your time in and time out, and that's it. You know, you shouldn't work beyond your responsibility, and if you really work on that, they really recognize you. Imagine, I have received, I worked there since April, and then I left November, and then still they were trying to get me back from work, but unfortunately both my parents and my siblings, they have decided not just to terminate my contract. So my mother hide my passport because when I came out from hospital last year, February, and I really wish to go back to Kuwait because I don't want to to lose the opportunity ma-expire imong visa. My daughter is here. Love, love! Come, mommy, dali! Where is your Milo? Have you eaten? Wow! Say good morning.
Apple.
You eat apple. A as an apple. Yummy! See, now Amara also has a big changes. Also, guys, one of the things also that I really want to work out is financially I'm struggling financially, and I cannot afford sending my daughter in a school. It's really expensive. Imagine her treatment is 5,200 for occupational therapy and 5,000 for the speech, and it's 10,200. And now this year also the increase, so I will try my best. Where's your apple? Apple, come here. Let's talk to people. So guys, this is Friday, and today what we're going to do, love. Last night we were watching a movie because she didn't sleep early. She slept actually yesterday at 1 until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I gave her milk, and then I was like pretending to sleep, and then I fell asleep. Then I wake up around 3, and then now she wake up around 4 o'clock. Love, now you wake up almost 5 p.m. So that's the reason she slept yesterday 11, and then just to make her like distracted, I was watching movie, English movie. It was The Proposal. So she was watching also with me. So whatever we have seen in the movie, like the speedboat, the bike, the bird, yes. There is whatever is like the real, in the movie that we can see. I always like see to her, and then she repeated to see that to me. And let's see. Yeah. So one of the thing also, guys, when Amara, she was there during when I was that incident happened, and there was hospitalized for almost about 3 months. I was so glad, and I was, from the bottom of my heart, I was so thankful for my ex-colleagues from Jumeirah. They were my family there in Kuwait. They do everything just to take me out from the hospital, because I was taken there, and the one who brought me there was the police, because I was being pulled out forcibly out from my home, and without even clothes. I was totally naked, and it was really shameful, and so that's the thing. Anyway, kita sila sa akong guwapang lawas atong time, guys. Okay, sexy pa man po ko adto before ko nasuot sa hospital. Ito. Swerte na lang nila, nakakita na dyan sila nag-bold sila tubangan. Dito, it's not about saying that sometimes miscommunication, it's just like a real action in a movie. Life, yeah, I can say, life is just like a movie. What happened to me there is just like an action, traumatic experience where I was being violently dragged down without my proper clothing. The good thing, I have a neighbor. She was there. She was supposed to go out for work, and then she just grabbed her husband's clothes. She given me a red t-shirt and a brown shirt. I didn't even had any bra and underwear, and I didn't even had a slipper, so I walked barefoot, and then they grab my hair, they pull my hair like that, and it was really harassment. So that was the reason also causes me PTSD, PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, because whenever time I see a policeman wearing a police uniform, even though I have a best friend police, because he's not wearing that. He was wearing always this dasha or just casual clothes. Whenever we meet up, he never wear his official uniform. So, and then one of the good thing also, I have tried all the cars in Jumeirah. I have ride Rolls Royce. I have one friend before. He already passed away. May his soul rest in peace. He was the CEO of one of the company there. I will not disclose the company name. It was my first experience to ride a Rolls Royce. Kanang Rolls Royce, guys, kanang mulupad ag idzahang kuan ha. Kanang murag pako idzahang pultahan. So imagine like you have an experience to ride a luxurious car where there is already a customized television in front of you. Your bed can be, your chair can be convertible with bed. So, and Jumeirah also, there is a lot of luxury cars. You can, so as a staff, you have the privilege to try them or to ride on it. So limousine. So at least you can explain to the clients or to the guests, especially to the VIP guests, what are the services do we provide in hotel. So, dahil ako nakasaktay og mga mahalong sakyanan jud guys sa kanang trabaho kag hotel, no? So, one of the aspiring people who wants to work in hotel, especially in abroad. So, this is the privilege you're going to experience, and there are so many things to talk about it. So, that's why I want to bring them down and segregate them and talk about them one by one, like what are the good things, what do you expect working in hotel generally, what is the expectations if you will be working in retail, what is your expectation working in public health and safety and pest control, and generally taking a tourism management courses, and what are the topics that we have been discussed, what are the things that we have discussed during my college time, and so on. So this is not, I don't care if this platform will be monetized. If this will be monetized, this will be a great support for me and for my daughter, because I'm still taking maintenance. Simple na sa akong kinabuhi, guys. Sa akong life, mura na siya diabetes o kanang high blood, no? So, pag maintenance, na po na ako ng kanang Dipakot o Ribotril. Dipakot is mood stabilizer for morning. And Ribotril is for sleeping. Parang di ba ito magbugto-bugti imong pagkatog, inya mo ka ng imong brain mo. Usually if you are yes, next letter. Yes. So there's a lot to discuss, guys. So supposed to be today is just Friday. Today is Friday. Thanks God it's Friday. You remember we ate in TGIF? Huh? We eat there and you eat the fries? You eat the fries? You remember? And that was our favorite place to eat, where when your dada was there. No? This is coffee. This is coffee. The next letter is love. Kiss. The next letter is key. Kiss. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. And the next letter is B. Bless. Bless. Bless.
C.
Use your hand. Bless. 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 The next letter is H. Hug. Hug.
Lesson
Hug.
I.
Hug me.
Wait, no.
Hug mommy.
I.
I. Hug mommy.
That's not that.
I. Hug. H.
Eagle.
Eagle. E. It's eagle. No, this is not for you. This is Goofy. You don't like that.
Eagle.
It's eagle. Jaguar. It's J is jaguar.
K.
See guys, makaistorya na gud siya mga words, no? Letter.
Bye-bye. We will. Lesson M.
N. It's a monkey.
Ooh, M. Lesson M.
How about the V?
Lesson M.
Next letter. Next letter. N. Monkey. What's the sound of monkey?
Lesson M.
N.
Lesson M.
Is
M.
what is N?
Lesson O.
Oh, octopus. Octopus. Octopus.
Lesson B.
P. P. What's the sound of the pig?
Lesson
Oink oink.
B.
Pig. Oink oink.
Lesson Q.
Q. It's a queen. It's a beautiful queen with the crown. Oh, someone is farting. Kato guys sa kuan sa Jumeirah guys nga atong nakadaog ko sa kuan Rockstar. Kanto siya annual event ko to. Let's Rock Jumeirah to siya. Nya naman to ka nang crown good po siya. Every time Amara when she see that picture she will say a queen, beautiful queen.
That's a U.
You. It's a unicorn. It's a unicorn.
That's a O.
Then
Lesson
I have also future plan, guys. I have some digital books. So
Ooh.
in the future na kanang di na busy na nakoy kabaling kuan nga di na kanang why sana di basa ba di ko makadisturbo. So mag audio recording ko or otherwise kanang naman sa ng mga audio jud pud before so pang upload na nako sa akong YouTube account para pod kanang instant nga magbayad-bayad mo no agto na lang paminaw dito sa website libre pa no subscription na kuan unya ang libro is I will see what I can give as a freebies. I will see what is do I need to pay like the leadership, relationship and all this thing, exam for civil service. So, kanang mga kuan dyan nga mga gamit sa pag-exam mo kana pabayaran dyan na ako pero kanang mga learning and ko nga pwede na to para sa kids mga printables pwede na ako ihatag ninyo of free but no this is coffee.
Yes.
Do you want to eat?
A B.
Do you want to eat? Sige, tagyawit na sa oras sa alas 7:32 na. So, by 8 o'clock guys, it's my time to my time to take my medicine. Kaya naman siya schedule 8 in the morning and 8 in the evening. Nga dapat nakaigda naming lablab anak mga alas 8. Naka-maximum na maski ka nang di pa siya matug na naman sa kwarto. Kay katugawatan nilang mama. Ug sa kong manghod sa iyo bayas lang mga mata kay tinapay tindahan. No? So kaning live is sinaksak, sinagol, Bisaya, Tagalog ug English guys. I will tell you that I kanang few words in Arabic. In Arabic, marhaba. Sa Bisaya, hi. Ay, uy. Uy, di ay, uy. Musta? Hala. Ano na, hala. Marhaba. Marhabtin. Ano ba? Habibi ya Albi. Mana siya gihigugmati ka. Ano sa man? Sa Baalkir. Mayong buntag. Sa Baalnur. Mayong udto. Sa ano pa? Layla Saida. Good night. Na siya nga mga words. Oh, dala lisod. So, ano sa man na? Milo. Mommy, your Milo delivery is here. In a purple cup. And it's still fresh and hot. Dali, drink your chocobe. Si Amara guys, paraya po niya na ako. I love a touch of purple. Lavender, purple, anything. Tanawa ng mga mixture of purple. Doon na siya, pinky, na. Kay purple manggod na siya yung mga color personality. So, I wanna share with you also in a separate video what are the color personality. Yeah, magawag mong mga zodiac sign, guys. Nakaspad na siya niya. Somehow, they're also connected to universe, no? So there are other cultures, they believe in zodiacs, and they even believe your sickness connected to the environment and the yeah, totally in universe, in your nature. Mabito na ubal niya ka na. I will give you an example. Like for makeup industry and retail industry, the one who's really open up with their mental health issue is Selena Gomez. So, for sure, kaya rin mo Selena Gomez, no? The brand owner of Rare Beauty. And she is a famous singer. And she was very open with her multiple mental issues. She's been having with bipolar also. She's having anxiety, depression, post-traumatic koan. Said she's been handling that. She was so open for that. And the other for men, kailangan jud mong gin bandam, no? Hilig man jud mong tanaw ka ng mga action movies nga bandam. So he is also a bipolar advocate. And not only for bipolar but overall mental and health koan advocate na sila tanan. So that was one of the reason that I was so inspired to open my koan kay namo ko na yung mga cases, guys, that mauwaw ka, hindi na ka maharong sa tao, so you were so afraid to face anyone, even your own family. You were so shameful because at that time I was so shameful to face them. I don't have even a single penny or money in my pocket. You know, I feel like hopeless, useless, tanan. So akong mind is totally in negative thought. No nga, para nako useless ko, ako'y gamit, ako'y kanang kuan, ako'y tabang, nga kasalig, inana, kanang kasalig ako, inana, bitaw. So that's why one of the thing, also good thing reason is that really helps me a lot is joining in a society or a group, you know, that where bold mind people or have a broader knowledge can share the experience, no? So actually there is a group sorry, but I was a member for this since long time. I was only active attending trainees, attending events online. So you can download Internations if you want. I can share you the link below. This is only, you can register if you are living outside the Philippines. So if you're living in the Philippines, no, you cannot register. They will reject you. The purpose of internation is to meet new friends, have just to have a new mainly is to meet new friends, to share ideas, to share experiences, meet other professional people there all over the world. You never know that they were also were there, but once you will be in the event, there is like highlighted event. For example, now in Kuwait, there is also some events going on in one of the restaurants, or maybe they will book it in the hotel. Last time they were in Radisson Blu or in I forgot the name. It's an Lebanese restaurant, the one near to Sisa in Marina. I totally forgot the name. So mana siya guys, mag-meet up mo dito, pero na siya bayad registration. Kung mag-meet up mo in physical, kaya naman siya mga event, may mga games. So it's just, if you feel like really stressing out in your company we were working with, and there is no team building, such kind of that thing, join Internation, guys. It's really gonna help you open your mind in a wider spectrum. No? Love, do you want to eat puto, love? Open your mouth, please. You don't like. Apple good. How about your apple here? I have a surprise. It starts with letter A. Open. Are you ready? Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Surprise! It's your apple. Finish your apple, babe. Mana na si Snow White? Buhok mo na pag si Snow White. Kuwang na kag-herban. So, asa na get to, guys? One of the thing also, no? Mga ganyan na. Important po as a speaker. Na-dyo distance at ubagan kay well, kay bawag as a topic in mga storyahon. So, kaya live raman chika raman ta. So, it's free day. So, dahil na mahaw raman dire. May mga pamahaw, guys. Ano, tao po si mama. Manuktok na po na ako. Snacks na po. May kinabuhi dire. Tigkaon. Tighinlo. Tiglaba. Pwede ko masaligas po sila, guys. Pahilo alang di ko rin yun, guys. Okay, paluto ako na. Palutoon ko rin yun, guys. Reklamo mo din hala-ala. Mga pasmo mo. Kaya mo kumuluto sa akong kagaling yung pagkaon. Dahil sa Kuwait na mabuhi ako ka ng noodles, butangag ka ng carrots, butangag ka ng cabbage, nga zucchini, na mga dili ang luto-luto, guys. Kay kuan wanay oras iluto. Working in a in the retail, suki nga place is Jollibee. Kay tagwan kidi naman nagkanang pagkaon. Dali ra pud kanon, guys, kay spaghetti raman og kanang usab kabok manok, so dali ra tunon. Yung magkangkang kag restaurant, dugay ka sir, mahurot na lang yung mahukag sa oras. So, other thing then, guys, whoever there, if you're interested, let me know. I will share you the link. You can, if you are really interested. I have one colleague that I see a potential on her. She was really close to my heart. If she was watching this, I think no, she cannot see this because she was only active in Instagram. So this is Facebook. I don't know if she has Facebook. Actually, she doesn't have any social media account before, but due to the work requirement, she has opened Instagram. So she's a very talented person, and I really admire her. I'm just saying, she also shared with me that she admired me too. So I told her, no, don't be like me. So, because I don't I don't want you to be like me, the way I work, the way I how to say that, neglect my health. I didn't prioritize myself. I didn't even prioritize my daughter. So if you want to be like me, what I can say, what you can take away from me is have a positive mindset. Learn everything as you can, and don't think that wherever you are, you will still stay there for long. So don't think of a long term there. If you're working abroad, think of something business, a long term, that you be your own boss. Be your own boss. So before, I was really like, when I was working, I really wanted to have my own products, you know. So a wish come true, guys. So if you really want to manifest, just pray, guys. No matter whatever you are religion in, or whatever you are believing in. I'm not even a religious person. You cannot see me every day in the church, and I don't hold a Bible, I don't hold a rosary, but I pray. And sometimes Amara, she always close the light, so we cannot read every night the straight from the heart book. But some of the lines there, I memorized it already. So it's just a personal, intentional thing. And write down the manifestation. Yeah. So, you know, if you're Catholic, guys, tuo ba mo? Before when I was in Cebu, I was in Subutel. No, even I'm not there in Subutel, I was still, I think, I was still in Bohol, or, yeah, but my first time when I went there in Simala, it's in Cebu, it's a miraculous place. Really, yeah, actually I was already working in Subutel that time, so it was me and my ex, it was our first time to go there. My one and only Filipino ex-boyfriend. Hi, regards to you if you are watching this. So, wala na sa ito mga hurt feelings, no? Kay, when I went to Kuwait, I didn't even completed 1 year, and he made a woman pregnant. So even he begged for forgiveness, and he wanted to get back to me, and he even begged forgiveness to my mother. He even kneeled down just to get me back. But I was saying to my mother, what if I am that pregnant woman? No? Kasi may humuhat ko, pakuha ng bata. No, akong ginan siya, gipiyong-piyungan man inyo sa kalami. Hala, pagpadayon mo sa inyong gibati. So, no? Mara akong giingan niya, guys, nga. Kanang, if I am that person nga na buntisan nimo, so take the responsibility, because you both choose that, no? Kay ako open person, open-minded man ko. Pwede mo pag tilaw-tilaw diha, pero adyo lang jud buntisa. Ngano man na, ginana man. So that was also what happened to my ex-husband. I know that guys is always into cheating. So ako open-minded jud ko, guys, kay it's not you who has a problem, it's your partner who has a problem. They have this kind of intimacy na they couldn't find it from you, or maybe they were afraid to do it with you, no? So maybe they were looking for something, another sa kaning nga topic is ang makasabot ani ka ng mga minyo ra jud or into relationship. So kana siya, guys. Nakakuan lang jud adto nga time is I know nga naa jud siya lain, na jud mukuan jud na siya kay maka. So I know him since before. So the only fact that I get so upset. Kay ang katong tulo mang yun, nagsamok-samok na ko guys. Nga, buntis na ko aning bataa. Nga, dugay-dugay ba dyan nagpangay minsan ko ninyo, no? Nag-ampo-ampuan ni na, wala. Wala dyan ako panambaling nga guys. I neglect them. I told them that, yes, I know my husband very well. He was like, he's naughty and I know what he's doing. So if you have problem between you guys, it's your problem, not mine. So inana siya paghandle og mga kanang kuan na mga uban guys, kay kana maghibaw sila nga nay minyo na ng tawhana. Nya mag-away sila, samok-samok kun ang original nga asawa. So, ang ending guys, ako gisamok-samok nilang tulo kay nagkabukingan man silang dito sa Maldives ngayon kuan. Yeah. Kan nagwa sila kaybaw silang tulo nga ako ang original asawa, pero wa sila kaybaw nga gilumpong dahil silang tulo. So, it was like no string attached relationship, no? Unta. Kanya ang lahat kay gusto man sila pang long term kanong hay nga relationship diha. So ang ending nagka-COVID man, so kanya nagkaaway-away man sila kay nagkabukingan man. Muna ako gisamok-samok nila atong pag-COVID kay wa sila mga lingaw anja kay busy mother man ko kay daghan man mig report training ko man gama pa man kog presentation guys, skincare training og mga fragrance training og unsa pa diha management training nya na pa jud ni operation training quality audit og panaon sa pa diha nga trabaho, no? So my mind was so totally diverted to work, not into this one. COVID didn't give me this kind of stress about relationship, so I don't mind this kind of relationship. I know how to handle ka ng mga sa mga relationship guys. So alas 8 na guys, ano upo ka na magkaon diri. Sige jawit, no? So ato aning kanang hunungon. Ano ko tambay? Monkey down, monkey. Mommy, you will fall down. Okay na lang yun guys, kaya mga bata magbait-bait mo. They need attention. So, okay po rin yung love-love na. Medyo okay naman ko lang guys, kaya vitamins malagay ko, nag-inom ko kayang 40B 2000. Kaya inid lang. So, improve yun akong bone immunity ug kuan. Di na ako magsipangats yung hinlo. Okay. Mga kong sinus sa unang mahinlo ko guys. Yeah. Now, just give me some time guys. My priority is our home and safety sa akong anak. Once I will have this kanang anyway kay di tanan manggod na sa akong laptop. Yung akong laptop touchscreen ba, HP nga touchscreen. Yan si Amara kay makikita na sa akong laptop ana po siya mara pug correct. So mo nagilit kay jud ako kay tawon guys, wa na tay kapalit og kanang laptop, no? So mo nang gusto na ako nga na ako kanang privacy room na ako i-customize ni namo ang among CR kay na may cubicle diri guys, gistakan das ko mga wheelchair og kanang mga kuan sa katong gamit sa bana sa akong igsuon nga katong kuan ba na accident man siya last time. So ako na siya ipangmalhin balhin siguro ni namo dito sa Pikas Balay. Ako na siya i-customize na kanang cubicle. Ay sorry love, can you sit in mom's lap? Come here. So, at least we can close this video na. So, I want to customize it like a panic room / privacy room. Kintahin, no? Anong saputon kung lablab niya. I cannot scream on her. I cannot hit her. Kay, yung gusto ma-adapt niya na nga kanang behavior ba. So, sometimes if I'm angry, I don't show it to her. If the only thing I show her my angry face, kanang magkuan siya magtantrum siya nga iyang ipakog ko. nang ipakog-pakog yan o sa kanang bongbong baron sa tiles ana na ko mo punit og kuan guys, ana na ko mo punit og kanang hanger kay og ana na ko siya og kanang bunal silhig baron or gungi baron or tukog baron og usa pa na din ha di na mahadlok guys, pero og ana nimo kanang kuan kanang hanger di ba barog lagi na dayon. Pero di po dito na dapatan oy kay mo lagi nagipangayo ba yan tong senior sa tangking niyo unsa imura nang bunal-bunala no. So mara to guys, I'll be sharing with you an update. So hope that your January 31 days goal has been achieved. So for me, I can say na ako sa mga 40%, but it's in a progress. 40% why kay it's a general clean up, decluttering, and kuan yun. So man na naman tayo bata nga taga-humpid na to bungkag, humpid bungkag. So ang ending mo na I decided to kanang customize our boxes na lang, mag-utilize na lang kung transparent box kaysa mong paypay kung boxes nga kanang box nga plastic guys. Mga buak man, mga liki kay sakyan mga amarang or ilabay man ang nga buak ang mga plastic. Uy, matuwang ka. Okay, ride the monkey bit. So, muna siya guys. I will utilize this and then karon for today, undang sa ko kay wala na mag-huit tape good. Yun siya maigo. So, katong nahidulin lang, mara pa kay tiwas. And then, kumabot itong delivery sa Lazada, ana na jud mahuman akong kuan kay I cannot continue work na dili complete ang tools yeah, nasa ko mga DIY project butangan sa akong mga makeup, mga nail accessories, recycled products, gamit tag spray ng basiyo sa kanang personal collection nga kanang kuan guys, sorry. Don't talk when your mouth is full. Personal collection niya katong basiyo bito siyang perfume fabric conditioner. Nawala ko tayo ng bigom na basiyo. So that's it for today guys. I hope you have a wonderful January. For sure tanan ninyo daghang sweldo na ron, kating sweldo na. Ayaw mo pa budol-budol diha sa dabang mga cell nyo, mga flash diha ha. Think about it. Make sure that this is really useful. It's long-term use. It won't break your bank or your pocket, and don't avail any loan. Kay mas pag kanaunsa ng mga advertisement diha na instant loan guys, there is hidden charges. Even they will not say there is no hidden charges, but there is still a charges. Even if they will say zero interest, but still there is charges. So that's it for now guys. Hope this day will bring you a positive energy and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for watching, and God bless you a million times back. See you later. Bye bye.